Hey guys, it's Jennifer and we have Achi sleeping again. I literally started laughing when I started filming because it's like every time I start filming, he's there. And look how comfortable he is. Like, look, seriously. He is knocked out and he was not gonna wake up. Well, this video was requested by Yoli, which is a good friend of mine, and she kind of just wants like a quick guide like for beginners and just like maybe like a step-by-step kind of makeup tutorial, and I am so down for that. So I thought it'd be fun to do like a tutorial on, you know, the things that I know. I don't know everything, but the things that I know and that might help you, and I picked out very affordable products. Okay, so the first thing that you need to look for is a primer. Yeah, so my favorite primer from the drugstore is the Angel Veil primer from NYX. But for today, we're gonna use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer and just put that all over your face. Number 2, foundation. And my favorite foundation from the drugstore is, I have multiple. The first one is the Fit Me foundation. If you guys haven't checked that collection out, you need to check it out. I love the mattifying foundation from Fit Me. It just feels, I feel like it does a great job with like mattifying my face because I have really oily skin, like I said. It does a good job. The second one is this one from Milani, and these two are really affordable. Fit Me is affordable and this one's affordable. This is the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. It's a foundation and concealer, that's why it's 2-in-1, and I have 05 Warm Beige. Alright, foundation is done, and the concealer is like my favorite part because I just love like the brightening effect that concealer gives for under the eye. The best concealer that I've found so far has been Fit Me concealer. I have 25 medium and 20 sand. So yeah, when you're looking for a concealer, just try to get one that's like a shade or two lighter than your foundation, and that should be the best color for you for a concealer. So to set that concealer and foundation, which is the third thing that you want to do, well actually the fourth thing that you want to do, I have the Airspun Original Formula Loose Face Powder. Okay, so after you put powder on your face, the next thing you want to do is put some color back on your face, and we'll get to blush right after, but the next thing that I always do is I bronze my face, and that's just gonna kind of put some color back in your face. So the bronzers that I like to use is this one from Milani, and this is called 05 Soleil or Soleil. So I'm gonna use the bronzer, and this is a nice golden bronzer. Just really warms up your face. Perfect. So once you have your bronzer or your contour, I don't know, it's all the same to me, you want to get your blush, and I'm going to use this palette. This blush, it doesn't really have a name because it's a trio. Okay, perfect. So I finally put on my blush, and as you can see, that really gave some color back into your face, and that's what you want because you don't want to only just put foundation, because you know, you don't want to be all just one color. You want to have a kind of natural face, you know, your blush and, you know, your little contour that you did. So I think it just makes your whole look super nice. If you just want to leave it at this, you could totally just leave it at this, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna put some highlight on, and I'm gonna use that same palette. The highlight, it's such a very beautiful, and it's very natural. So if you're looking for a natural highlight, like this is very natural. So you just want to put it right up here. I don't really know what this is called right here, just kind of like above your cheeks, I guess. Okay, so you're almost ready to get out of the door. What I never used to do before was put paint over my eyebrows. I never used to fill them in before. I just never thought it was necessary, but it is. Okay, perfect. So your eyebrows are on, and I'm sure you're looking super cute. If you don't have an eyebrow pencil, like, that's totally fine. What I used to do when I didn't have an eyebrow pencil was I'll just get like, for example, I'll get like, for example, this palette or something with a brown eyeshadow, and I'll just get an eyeshadow brush and just kind of brush over it with the color just a little bit, not too harsh. And yeah, that's what I used to do, and then I heard about Anastasia and that's why I bought it. So to make life easy, I love that they have these eyeshadow pencils, and this one in specific is Rimmel London Scandal Eyes, which is very affordable, and I have this in the color Bad Girl Bronze 003. Perfect. So all I did was I put 2 coats of this and I blended it out with my finger. Really easy. You could literally leave it like this. I'm not gonna leave it like this. What I'm gonna do is get a eyeshadow palette, which is a very small eyeshadow palette. It's super cute. Pretty much anything that you have. And I'm just gonna apply this brown color right here in the middle. Any brown color that you have, I'm gonna apply it over it with a brush just to make everything look more as one and blend it in together. Perfect. So just blend everything out and your look is already starting to get more put together. I'm just gonna get a pointier brush and just put that underneath. Perfect. So you have a very simple eye look right there. It literally took 2 seconds. All I'm gonna do now is go back to that highlighter. I'm gonna throw on some lashes so you guys can see the before and after and what a big difference it makes. But I personally love really wearing lashes because they just look so beautiful and it just completes the makeup look. So I'll be back in just a second. Okay guys, so we're done putting our lashes on and you're probably gonna see a little bit of glue on me because I just put it on. But yeah, you see how big of a difference the eyelashes make. I personally love it. So if you're decided to skip this step, that's totally fine. The mascara that I've been using that I really like is this one from, gosh, I forgot who this is from, L'Oreal, I think? Yeah. So this is from L'Oreal and this is their Voluminous Lash Paradise. Okay, so for lipsticks, there's so many options that you guys have. There's metallic lipsticks, there's liquid lipsticks, there's mattifying lipsticks, there's lip glosses. There's just so many lipsticks out there that you personally need to try and find out what you like. For today's look, I wanted to use this one from Milani and they're really affordable as well in the drugstore. This is in the color 79 Matte Romance. It's a nice red. I love reds. So that's how this one looks, and I feel like it just goes really well with the simple eyeshadow look that we did. So if you don't want to go too bold, you can also use a lip gloss, and this one I have here is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. I literally got this for $3.98. You can literally still see the clearance tag on it. And that's how this one looks. This lip gloss is in the color 318 Bare Attraction. And it says Pro Matte Gloss, but this does not seem glossy to me at all. But it's a very nice pink color, very neutral, kind of goes with everything kind of color. And yeah, I really like how this color looks. It's perfect for this combination that we did. So we've reached the end of the video. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like in the bottom of this video. If you're on YouTube, just like this video. And if you want to keep seeing more videos from me, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And he finally woke up. I think he actually woke up. But yeah, if you want to keep seeing more videos from me and Achi, then just subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching from IGTV, thanks for watching. If you have any requests as well on any videos you guys would like to see, that'll be perfect. And yeah, I would love to do something that you guys want to see. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a beautiful day.